Alright guys, so what we got here is we got a fan for the old wood stove that the motor's no longer working. I have two fans on my stove, and this one started making all kinds of racket and couldn't get it to go, so I went on the internet and I found a motor, same spec. I actually bought two of them for I don't know, 12 bucks or something. So I'm going to replace this motor and see how it works. So there's the old motor. As you can see, it's well used. And so I'm just going to solder those leads onto this new one and put it back together, and away we go. You don't have to buy a new fan. Okay, so here's the old motor or the new motor, and you notice there's one offset hole and two centered holes. And it's important to solder the wires the same as on the old motor, or your fan will turn the wrong way. So if you go to the old motor, same thing, one offset, two centered, so you know then which leads to solder the wires to. So there we go. I'm the first to admit soldering has never been something I'm terribly good at. The new motors also have a positive and negative stamped in them. The old one doesn't, so that's why I'm going by the 3 holes on the front. And there you go, tested on the stove, just like new. 2 motors, I think it was 15 bucks, and save yourself some money. Happy heating.